Hi, today I want to show you this spoon with built-in scale. So you can measure how much something weighs with a spoon that you can take it and put it in another place. And for comparison, I have a more traditional scale, and using those items with different masses, I will compare those two items if they show similar results. Let's first start with what is the maximum mass that it can measure. Let's turn it on. We have 0, 0, and let's with my hand try to overload it. And 500 grams around is the limit, and we can reset it to 0. We can see that when I move this spoon, it is a little bit changing the value. It is not as stable as a traditional scale on desk because it is in the air. So it is a little bit changing all the time, but maybe it doesn't matter. Let's see. First we have a toothpick, a very light item. Right here we have 0.54 grams, and let's see what it will show you. 0.5 grams we have right here, so it's okay. Let's see next item, 1.17 grams, and let's see what it will show us. 1.0 grams, so not the same. Let's see next one, 1.79, and here we have 1.6. Let's go to heavier items, 15.58 grams, and right here we have 15.3 grams. Let's see the next one, 25.88 grams, 25.4, now 0.6.5 grams. It is a little bit changing. Let's see these ones, 40.97 grams, 40.5.7.4. It is jumping around those numbers. And now two most heaviest items, 106.89 grams, 106.4 around. And now let's see the heaviest item, this bottle, 405 grams, 0.67. And let's see the spoon, 404. It is jumping around, but it is around 404 grams. So the results are quite similar to this traditional scale, and it can be useful in a kitchen or somewhere when you need to measure the ingredients, maybe not to the 0.1 grams precision because it is a little bit unstable because you hold it in hand and it is a little bit changing. But if you have a tolerance of few grams, it can be really useful to measure faster ingredients, that you just take the ingredients from some bag, see if it is close enough. You can throw away some or take more and put it to another bag or something, and you know how much you used. So for fast measurements and quite precise, it is a useful item and works, and you can up to have the kilogram measure with it, and a practical item that it is working. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.